Hello, welcome back. So far we have discussed about what AI can do, how it can help you to get the job, or how what all things you should do to upskill yourself to stay relevant, all these things for both students and or freshers and also for the experienced or the professionals predominantly. Today, I'll focus on something different. Often, while applying for any job, what do? We send our profile, we send our CV. If we are applying through LinkedIn, many of times we prefer to use the LinkedIn profile to be shared or upload our CV or resume and then send it across. That is one thing. What is that? Whenever we are sending a CV or profile for a particular job posting, we need to align or refine our CV or profile based on the job posting, which is not, trust me, which is not an easy thing at all. We need to put a lot of effort for that. Today, I will tell you how good knowledge of AI can help you in that to get this done. So, like many other times, I will share my screen and show you one of my resume and one just sample job posting. All right. Okay. I hope you can see my screen. So here is one sample profile. No fancy, nothing, not for a particular job posting or anything, just a generic profile of mine. Now, along with that, what I will show you is a sample JD. Now, if you see the sample JD, again, a pretty long one. So I really don't want you to drain or go through the whole thing. Uh, uh, if you, I mean, if I, while I am scrolling about the company, why join this company, the opportunity, position, primarily you will be responsible, etc., all these things. And then the skill. Everything is mentioned there as always. What I am trying to show you is using AI, using ChatGPT, how we can create a profile or a CV which matches with this particular requirement, right? Oops, sorry. I forgot to attach, add photos and files. Both will get attached here. I mean, like last time also I have shown, I'm using GPT-5, 5.5. So it will take some time to execute, but the outcome will be much more efficient. You can see with the updated or modified CV. Why it is important? Because two things. One is many of times organization use application tracking software or even advanced AI solution to match the job description with the CV. So there it's very important that our CV is perfectly matching for the job description. And number two, uh, if it doesn't match, then our CV or our application will never go to a human recruiter. Imagine, even if it reaches, then also nobody will be willing, no human recruiter will be willing to go through my entire CV and then find out whether this person fits into the role or not. That's why it is very important. This plays a very important role. And I mean, curate or crafting the CV based on the job description, based on the requirement, it is very important. That is the key reason. All right. So finally, it has worked. It took quite long, 6 minutes, 1 second, and it created a tailored Word CV, which is in the downloadable format, what I have asked for. So I'm downloading the file and then I will open it and show it to you how different it looks like between the previous one and the current one, right? So it has changed not only the look and feel, but also make it much more interesting for every or the possible recruiter. That's the beauty of using AI for recrafting, redesigning our CV. So I'm sure you will found it interesting, and you should be able to create much better, meaningful, and job-winning CVs going forward. Till then, thank you. Have a good day, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching it. Happy AIing.